Hey guys, welcome back to UpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you, we discuss with you joyfball.com online soccer jersey store. So you might be wondering, what is Joyfball here that you may be hearing or seeing online? So Joyfball here is an online football jersey store offering club, national team, retro, and 2026 FIFA World Cup jerseys. Now, the website lists teams for leagues including the Premier League, La Liga, Serie A, Bundesliga, Ligue A, and a lot more here, and includes MLS, along with national teams from Europe, South America, North America, Asia, and Africa. So if you want to learn more about that, they do have the more link section. So if you want to see like different what they offer in here, like for instance, like you have like Argentina, France, Germany, Spain, and a lot more. So yeah, the store also has a separate section for kids sizes, jackets, windbreakers, shorts, jersey, badges, retro shirts, and pre-orders, and a lot more. So again, in their website, they do have those in here, like kids sizes as well. And also, if you visit one of their shirts in here, if you visit the size guide here, they do have like a kids jersey size chart here if you want to buy for your kid. Now, in this case, the store currently operates in a way that is quite similar to any kind of store out there. So, in this case, first thing you want to do is when you visit their official website, you just click on one of the club teams that you have available here. So, for example, you could go and click on Paris. And from here, you could go and just choose the shirt or jersey that you want to maybe buy in here. And in here, from here, you could go and just view the necessary details. Like, for example, what's the custom item here? What's the size that you want to buy? And also, again, refer to the size guide here if you're buying from them. So they do have like different sizes in here, like the length, the bust, the height, the weight. Recommended for this specific size. So yeah, from here, once you've done that, you can go and just click on the add to cart button here, and from here it will be added to your cart. And at the top, the section here, you could also click on buy now if this is the only shirt that you want to buy. But if you do intend on buying, if you've added all the products already in your cart, you can go and click on your cart at the top right here, and you can go and just click on the checkout button. Also, if you have a discount code, you could go and apply that as well. But yeah, once you click on checkout here, you'll be able to provide necessary details like your contact details, your shipping address, your shipping method here, and also some special instructions, and also if you want to add some tip, and your payment method here. Now, the website also provides order tracking through 17 Track here, along with its terms, privacy, policy, contact information, and customer support pages. It accepts multiple payment methods as well, shown at checkout here. So, if you want to learn more about that, you can go and just visit their website as well. But yeah, so in here in the website, at the very bottom, you should be able to see the necessary information and support information like delivery, return policy, terms and conditions, privacy policy, their contact us page, and if you want to track your order, you can also track that via their website via 17 Track here. So yeah, so in simple terms here, Joyfball here is an online football apparel shop where you can browse jerseys by club, country, competition, or era. Then select your preferred item and order it online. So since this is a shop and this requires you cashing out money to buy certain jerseys from them, doing your own research by checking the exact jersey details here, sizing, shipping information, return terms, and other purchase conditions on the official website is recommended. And also, if you want to make sure that you are getting the most out of your money, maybe checking some reviews on their website or outside the website is also recommended. And this applies for anything that or any shop that you're buying online. So reading reviews outside the website is a common thing that everyone should be doing. But that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.